My name is Daniel, and I'm here to thank the Forex Academy for Beginners by Saad Ali. I got this information about the academy from a friend. At first, I didn't like it because of my experience with other training classes. I must say, this is the best Forex class I have ever been to. So I was struggling with Forex market. I was not able to draw my support and resistance very well. Thanks to Forex Academy for Beginners. Now I understand support and resistance, and I can draw my support and resistance very well. I can understand chart pattern and EMS, Fibonacci retracement. If you ask me, I'd say I wish I knew about this course earlier than now. The best part of it is that it's free, 100% free. So thank you, Mr. Saad Ali, for everything. I am grateful. And my advice to other traders who wants to trade, who wants to join the Forex Academy, I will say you are on the right path. And thanks to you, especially Mr. Saad Ali, I am really grateful. And I look forward to learn more from you. Thank you.